Welcome back to ClearTask. If you have ever tried to place one picture on top of another in Microsoft Word, you probably noticed that Word automatically pushes them apart. Today, I will show you the fastest way to fix that and overlay your images perfectly. First, open your Word document and navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Click on Pictures, then choose this device. Select the images you want to use. You can hold down the Control key on your keyboard to select two pictures at once, then hit Insert. Both images will appear on your page, but they are currently locked into the text flow. To make them stackable, click on the first picture. Go to the Picture Format menu at the top, find the Wrap Text option, and change the setting to In Front of Text. Instantly, you will be able to move that image freely anywhere on the document. Now do the exact same thing for the second picture. Click it, open the Wrap Text menu, and choose In Front of Text. With both images completely unlocked, you can now drag one directly over the other. Word will no longer force them apart. If the wrong picture is overlapping the other, simply right-click the image you want to place in the background and select Send to Back. This will perfectly swap their visual order. Finally, click and drag the corner handles of your images to resize and position them until your layout looks exactly right. That is the absolute easiest way to layer and organize graphics in Word. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward professional tech tutorials.